Welcome everyone, you may have the Z Fold 4 and if you use the regular way of connecting the S Pen Pro Edition, it doesn't work. However, I'm going to show you an updated way. This is a workaround found by someone in the comment section. So the first step is what you're going to do is you're going to open up the settings app. From here, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see advanced features. You then want to find S Pen. You're then going to find Air Actions. And now we are brought to this view. So the regular way to pair is you don't even go to this menu because the S Pen is automatically detected, but that feature is broken in Z Fold 4 with the current software. It'll probably be fixed in a couple of weeks, but for now, just tap on scan for S Pen and you want to find the connection button and just long press this one, okay? And once you see the blinking here, you're going to see the S Pen Pro, tap into that, and now we are connecting. So it really is that simple. I'll show you the Air Actions working as well. You can also see the battery percent. So let's long press and you can see it's opening up the camera. So if you want to learn how to use the S Pen Pro Edition, the Air Actions, everything, thankfully I did make a tutorial with that in the description down below. So watch that now. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.